Welcome to Geo 123. Today's topic is clouds. Clouds come in a vast array of shapes and forms. Some fly high in the sky, while others hover close to the Earth's surface. Some are thin and wispy like a veil, while others are dense enough to block sunlight, turning day into night. There are clouds that signal fair weather and others that bring rain. Despite this wide variety, clouds are classified into just 10 main types. Get ready to learn their Latin names. The classification system we use today was developed in early 19th century by British chemist and amateur meteorologist Luke Howard. The first criterion for classifying clouds is the altitude at which their base forms. Clouds are categorized into three levels based on this: high level clouds with base above 20,000 feet, mid level clouds with base between 6,500 and 20,000 feet, and low level clouds with base below 6,500 feet. The second criterion is based on their appearance with terms derived from Latin: cirro, a form of feather like clouds; strato, a form of layered clouds; cumuli, a form of fluffy, looking like cotton ball clouds; and nimbo, a form of clouds that produce precipitation. First, let's take a look at the high level clouds: cirrus, cirrocumulus, and cirrostratus. Cirrus clouds often look like a feather or a thin strand of hair. They usually indicate fair weather, but if you see them thickening, a change in the weather might be on the way. Cirrocumulus clouds appear as small white cotton balls, often arranged in rows. Composed of ice crystals, they are short lived, making them rare to see. Next, we have cirrostratus clouds. These are thin ice crystal clouds that cover the sky like a veil, often creating halos around the sun or the moon. Moving a bit lower in the sky, we find the mid level clouds: altocumulus, altostratus, and nimbostratus. Altocumulus clouds are mid level clouds that often appear as white or gray patches arranged in sheets or in a wave pattern. These clouds are primarily made of water droplets. Altostratus clouds are gray or blue-gray clouds that typically cover the entire sky. The sun's disk may be visible as a bright spot but without a halo. Altostratus clouds can produce light precipitation and are often associated with an approaching warm front. They may eventually transition into nimbostratus clouds. As altostratus thickens, it becomes nimbostratus, a dark gray cloud which is thick enough to obscure the sun and which brings continuous rain or snow. Due to evaporation of the precipitation, low ragged clouds often form beneath its base and merge with it. Now, let's have a look at the low level clouds. In this group, we have cumulus, stratocumulus, stratus, and cumulonimbus. Cumulus clouds are the classic puffy clouds that you might imagine when you think of clouds. They usually indicate fair weather but can grow into larger storm clouds later in the day. Their flat bases and towering tops make them easily recognizable. Stratocumulus clouds are low, lumpy clouds that often appear in rows or patches. They are usually gray or white. Stratocumulus can look threatening, but most often they produce no precipitation, and when they do, it is generally only light rain or snow. Stratus clouds are low gray clouds that cover the sky like a blanket, creating overcast conditions. Usually they don't bring precipitation, but when they are thick enough, they produce drizzle or snow grains. Cumulonimbus clouds are towering, dense clouds associated with severe weather. They often have an anvil-shaped top that spreads out at higher altitudes. These clouds can extend from low levels to the top of the troposphere, sometimes reaching over 60,000 feet. Cumulonimbus clouds are responsible for severe weather phenomena like thunderstorms, heavy rain, hails, lightning, and even tornadoes. We covered the 10 basic types of clouds. Now let's check your understanding.